So our first question, what is the difference between the display none and the visibility hidden? So display none completely remove the element from the web page. The element is not visible and does not take up any space, where visibility hidden hides the element but it still take up space in their layout. So the second question, what is the difference between the flexbox and the grid? Flexbox is the one-dimensional layout system that works in a single direction, either the row or a column. It mainly used for aligning and distributing items with a container. Second one is grid. Grid is a two-dimensional layout system that works in both the row and the column. At the same time, it mainly used for creating the complex pages layout. Now the third question, what is the Flexbox? Why do we use it? So, Flexbox is a CSS layout system used to arrange and align the item easily in a container. It helps to create a Flexbox and responsive layout without using a complex position or a float. So, why do we use it? So, they are used to align items in the horizontal or vertical. It is used to create the responsive design. It is used to control the spacing between elements easily and to make elements adjust automatically to the different screen size. So the fourth question, what are the media queries and why are they used? So media queries are CSS features used to apply different styles to a web page based on the device screen size, resolution or the type. They help to make the website responsive so that to look good on the mobile phone, tablet and the desktop computer. So what are they used? Means why are they used? So they are used to create the responsive web pages. They adjust the layout from different screen size and to improve the user experience on the various devices to make the website mobile friendly. Fifth question, what is the difference between the get and post method in forms? So the get method sends from a data through the URL, making it visible to everyone. It is mainly used for requesting the data from a server. So the second one is the post. The post method sends from the data in the request body so that the data is not visible in the URL. It is mainly used for sending the sensitive information and submitting the data to a server.